Welcome to a new video on my channel Exploring the World. My name is Dominik and in today's video we will compare the DJI Action2 against the Insta360 Go 2. We will compare everything like the video quality, audio quality, we will do some slow motion tests and stabilization tests. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this video and now let's get it started. To make the video as competitive as it can be, I have set both cameras to 30 frames per second, recording in 2.7K. And as always guys, we will leave the Hyatt Place Jumeirah hotel here on our left side. We will head over to the Jumeirah LaMer beach, which is about a 3 kilometers walk from here. And then we will enjoy some pretty good beach conditions today in Dubai, here in Jumeirah. Let's start with a quick audio comparison here at the busy Almina Road in Jumeirah, Dubai. So how is the sound like? How do you like the sound of the DJI Action2 compared to the Insta360 Go 2? Is there any difference? Is it possible to understand what I am saying here with the traffic and a little bit of wind at the busy Almina Road in Dubai? If you have watched my other camera comparisons that I have recently uploaded, then you probably might know this park. It is the park in front of the Etihad Museum that you can see over here, and then you know it's time for another audio comparison. So I'm walking through this beautiful park. It's a really great day today. We have only a little bit of wind, we have sunshine, 25 degrees Celsius, some birds here in the park. So what do you think about the audio quality of both cameras? So in my opinion guys, Insta360 really nails it when it comes to stabilization. The flow state stabilization is so amazing, and compared to DJI with the Action2 probably and the GoPro, they cannot even compete with the Insta360 cameras in terms of stabilization. Flow state is really on top of everything else. What do you guys think? Leave me your comments in the comment section down below. And now we will head on to LaMer, which is a pretty good beach area here in Dubai. This is the very beautiful Jumeirah Mosque, very close to the LaMer beach. Pretty awesome, many prayers each day. Beautiful architecture, great place to visit. We made it to LaMer, which is a pretty cool beach area located at Jumeirah 1. They have a 2.5 kilometer long beach and all kind of water activity possibilities like renting boats, kayaks, stand-up paddle boards, whatever you can imagine. Also you have a lot of restaurants and bars over here. So let's check this area out, and later on we will go to the secret Jumeirah beach, which is located just behind the LaMer beach, and I will show you this. But before this we will check out the beach area here. So to give you a better understanding of the audio quality of both cameras, this is the sound coming from the iPhone 13. This is the sound coming from the DJI Action2, and this is the sound coming from the Insta360 Go 2. So what do you guys think about all the sound options? We have a small water fountain in the background, a little bit of wind probably, and yeah, the beach on the other side. So let's head to the beach, let's go there, let's check this area out. Right next to the south entrance of LaMer, you will find the Jumeirah secret beach. So as you know, both cameras are magnetic, so you can easily mount them under your shirt and you can make some hands-free videos, and this is what we will check out right now. So guys, the beach at Jumeirah 1 is sheer endless. It's about 3 kilometers from here to the other side, the LaMer beach area. And this is a good opportunity for us to make another audio test here at the beach. It's a little bit windy, the wind coming from the sea. But anyways guys, it's an awesome day, 25 degrees Celsius. The water is clear, it's almost like in the Caribbean. It's an awesome day here at the beach in Dubai. My beach day at LaMer here in Dubai is coming to an end, and I hope that you got a really good impression of the capabilities of both cameras, the audio and video quality of the DJI Action2 compared to the Insta360 Go 2. Before we end this video, I will leave you alone with some low light shots here from Dubai. Thanks a lot for watching.